Welcome to Archiesense. The Central Courtyard project presents a tunnel-like structure made up of a continuous stack of arches. The design creates a complex three-dimensional central courtyard with varying degrees of permeability, visible through the floor, with the pool, the walls, which are open to views in the opposite direction, and the sky above. Two L-shaped elements, both in plan and cross-section, meet to form a courtyard in the center of the building. Unlike conventional courtyards, this central courtyard has connections to the outside at various levels. Through its unique configuration, the courtyard creates variations in the degree of enclosure, privacy, and spatial layering within the building. By utilizing skylight, openings in the facade, and a sunken pool in the floor, the courtyard offers a soft, porous, and flexible space. This space complements the enclosed interior and semi-open floor areas, creating a dynamic and adaptive spatial experience.